Hey everyone, welcome back to Use and Fix, where we'll be showing you another video on the topic how to fix Messenger not displaying messages. If you're having problem with your Messenger not displaying messages, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We are going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Turn it on from your notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it back off. Now try logging into Messenger again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there is an update available for Messenger in your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, then go to search and then search for Messenger. Then click on Messenger and see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and click on settings, then search app and then click on apps and scroll further down until you see the option of Messenger. Once you see the option of Messenger, click on that and then scroll a bit down and then you see the option of storage, so click on the option of storage. Then on the bottom right of your screen you'll see the option of clear cache, then hit clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app Messenger from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, that is the final fix that solves stubborn logging problems. And there you go, one of these methods should have helped you get back into your Messenger account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.